Guys, Scarlett at Build Across here, and I'm going to show you how I paint this clipboard. This is something I paint a lot for Kent, and I wanted to do a tutorial on it. So I base coated the entire thing white, and then I just went in and added some of the color putty to the edges. And now I'm going in with my Montana acrylic paint markers and doing the pink stripe and the blue stripes across, and I'm just doing this sporadically. I'm not trying to make this perfect. I'm kind of going for like a quirky look, and I'm just using a gray marker to do my clip at the top. And now I'm going to go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline the edges, and again kind of keeping that quirky, so kind of making it point up at the ends. And then I'll just outline my clipboard and then outline my little clip at the top, and that is it. This is really easy, and it's so cute when you put vinyl or lettering on it for the teachers or whoever you're giving this to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.